feel so alive. So alive. So alive. So alive.
Nangangako akong igagalang ka, susuportahan at mamahalin ka sa bawat araw ng ating buhay.
You know I've been making my way up. I don't need coffee to stay up. Sky is the limit.
Ito ay aking tungkulin bilang asawa dahil ito rin ang pinaka malalim na hangarin ng aking puso.
I feel so alive. Like I'm living my life out in paradise. I can't help but smile. I'm just so alive. So alive. So alive. So alive. It feels like I'm floating a couple million miles off the ground. And I'll be here stopping to smell the roses. I think I need to slow it down. I feel so alive. Lost in paradise.
Lian, as I look back, I could help but wonder why you never left. Our relation was never easy. For almost 5 years, you fought for your position in my life, and there are times when I will see you get tired, but you never give up. I promise to become the best wife you will ever need. From now, apart from God, you are my number one priority.
Now I promise you I will love you forever. I will love you.
Maraming salamat sa pagpili sa akin, sa pagtanggap sa akin, sa pagbibigay ng iyong tiwala at sa pagbahagi ng iyong buhay sa akin.
You and I will be together.
It was been a long journey, my love, and now we're finally getting married. And it's great love story because God wrote ours. I will love you and cherish you always. I love you in sickness and health. I promise to love you above all other and I value you in my life as a precious gift. I love you so much, my love.
Ngayong araw at sa araw-araw, ipinapangako kong mamahalin ka ng walang katapusan mahal na mahal kita.
I feel so alive, like I'm living my life.